Hey guys, I have one website which showing some warnings on the server on the admin sections, and it's pretty annoying. I want to get rid of that. So that's the site. Okay, now that's after I fixed the issues. Let's see before. Yeah. I capture this, this screen, that screen. Now, so we need to fix that issues with messages. There is a function should be compatible with this function. What you should do now is go to this file and change change this function up the same thing as this format. So what I did is just copy this, copy the feedback, copy this part, and go to this file. I go to class-fw-auto-install file. For that file, class-fw-auto-install. Right? Go to these files and just need to update this file to that. So I duplicate this function and then change to this format. So this, just uncomment that. Now it's the same thing, right? It's the same function, but just have this argument. So now I need to save it. I'm saving. Refresh the browsers. Those warnings should be gone. That's relate to one issue which I will put here. When it's doing the update of the theme, that may cause the issues. So I follow this topic or support in WordPress or org. They show me the solutions, and I hope this video can help you for troubleshooting and your WordPress backend. And that's pretty simple. It should be it's not like hard to fix the issues. That's it. I hope this video can help you, and if you have any WordPress issues cannot figure out, you can let me know. I may help you. Just comment below. If you found this video helpful, comment below and give me a like or subscribe. I really appreciate. I see you next time.